I got my meat stick in and I'm going to try it on a T-bone steak. Coming pretty neatly packed. It's got its own charging base. This end goes into the meat and it monitors the internal temperature of the meat. This end here is ceramic. It's the part that sticks out and it monitors the ambient temperature. Now if you flip it over, you'll see, and take the cap off, you'll see it runs on 2 AAA batteries, and they recommend you charge it in the charger for 4 hours. So you just press that little black button right there and let it sit for 4 hours. It also comes with an extender. It runs on 2 AA batteries. It's supposed to extend the range about like 300 feet. So there you have it, folks. It comes with a nice little manual. I'm using some kosher salt, and I'm going to put it all over these steaks. I'm going to make sure and do both sides, and then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Alright, it's the next day, and let's get our Weber Smoky Mountain ready, and while it's getting hot, we'll go prepare our steaks. I'm going to blot off the salt that was on there, and I've got some seasoning that I'm going to put on there. You can use any kind of seasoning you want, but I just sprinkle it pretty liberally over the steak. Now it's time to insert our meat stick, and we want to push it up all the way to the ceramic part. And there you go, right there. That's how it's done. The meat stick comes with an app that you have to download on your phone, and I've already got it ready to go, and it's showing my temperature of the meat inside is 50 degrees. My target temperature is 145, but I'll probably take it off a little sooner than that. Alright, so I'm loading my steaks on the grill now, and I'm going to sear the one with the meat stick in it. I've already seared it a little bit on one side. I'm flipping it over, searing it, and I'm going to go back and forth until I reach that targeted temperature, and I can tell by looking at the app on my phone when I get to that temperature. Alright, so as you can see, the internal temperature of the meat is 132. Now the target was 145, but I'm going to go ahead and pull it off because I wanted a little less done than what I had originally set. Okay, the steak is off. We're going to take out this meat stick. It did a pretty good job. It was pretty accurate. Now we're going to slice into that. And look at there. That's perfect for me. Made a wonderful meal with some pico and a baked potato. Well, look, if you liked this video and you found it informative, hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. And make sure to comment. I'll answer each one of you. Until next time, this is Dave. Remember, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone.